Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Mandela Highway. Now this is just a follow-up video. We had recommended that the name of this road should be changed to be named after a prime minister of Jamaica. We had made a video about it and we got a lot of comments. So this is just a follow-up video. Now this is the busiest road in Jamaica. That is why we said the busiest road in Jamaica should be named after a Jamaican. We never intended to say that Mr. Mandela should do for any reason basically other than he's not Jamaican. That's why this road should be named after Jamaican. It has nothing to do with what he did or any position and anything. We can name another road after him. That's fine. He did whatever. We're not judging him on what he did, basically. We're just saying this is the busiest road in Jamaica and it should be named after Jamaica. Alright. We are exiting off Mandela Highway now and going on to the PJ Patterson Highway. Now this road is named after a former Prime Minister. A lot of countries name roads, airports, libraries after their heads of state. So we think that road should be named the Andrew Holness Highway. And it's going to be renovated. The section we drove on has already been renovated. It's 6 lanes. It's possibly the nicest road in Jamaica. It takes you into and out of the city of Kingston, which is the capital and the largest city in Jamaica. So the name of that road is very important. Chances are every Jamaican will drive on that road one day. Any visitor to the island that's heading into Kingston from the country will drive on that road one day. So we were just advocating basically for the road to be named after our former Prime Minister, and since Mr. Holness is the current Prime Minister, we said the road should be named after him. And he has also done a lot to renovate the roads and to build new roads in Jamaica. So we could start with the current Prime Minister and going back and naming all the major highways after a Prime Minister. Now, remember we said Mandela Highway is going to be renovated. So Mandela Highway runs from the Spanish Town Road intersection down to the Spanish Town bypass. And the section between the Spanish Town Road and Portmore was renovated recently. You notice how nice the road looks. And that cost 64 million US. It was done under the Major Infrastructure Development Program, and it was the flagship program, the flagship project under that program. So the government now has plans to renovate the rest of the road from the Portmore turnoff all the way to the Spanish Town Road intersection. So when that is done, we are advocating or recommending that you just name the road after Mr. Holness, the Andrew Holness Highway. Now, this is the PJ Patterson Highway we're driving on. We have the Edward Seaga Highway, which is the road that takes you from Kingston to Ocherus. It's also a highway. And then we have the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon. Although it's not a highway like what we're driving on now, because these are the newer roads. This is what a highway looks like in Jamaica now. When you build a highway, this is what it's going to look like. And Jamaica is building plenty of them, a lot of them. So we have enough highways to name after every former Prime Minister as well as the current one. So that is what we were saying. It doesn't matter what the Prime Minister does while they were in office. It doesn't matter how long they were in office. Let us start with the current Prime Minister and work our way down the list and name a highway that looks like this, a modern highway, after the Prime Minister. As we said, it doesn't matter which party they belong to, it doesn't matter what they did in office. As long as they become or they hold the office of Prime Minister, then the road should be named after them. And this is not, naming roads after heads of state in Jamaica is not new. We have the Norman Manley Boulevard, which connects the Port Royal Street in downtown Kingston. We recommended you upgrade that road to a highway. It's already 4 lanes. Just upgrade it, put in a concrete barricade, and upgrade it and call it the Norman Manley Highway. It's just changing the name Boulevard to Highway by upgrading the road. You have Spanish Town Road, which is under renovation. Although the project is taking forever, you could name that road the Portia Simpson Miller Highway. Rename Washington Boulevard, though the name slipped me now, the Bruce Golden Highway. We have Norman Manley Boulevard in Negril. That road, if they plan to build an airport down there, so you definitely need to upgrade that road for the additional traffic. Name that one the Norman Manley Highway. We have a Bustamante Highway already. Upgrade it so that it looks like this road, 4-lane dual carriageway, and you have Bustamante Highway. Then the only one that will be missing is Hugh Shearer. We have the highway being built from Harborview to Harborview to Portland. You could name a section of that road the Hugh Shearer Highway. So there are many roads. The Northern Coastal Highway is being upgraded. Now the Northern Coastal Highway runs from Negril all the way to Port Antonio. They're upgrading the section from Montego Bay to Ocho Rios. We advocated or recommended name that road the Bob Marley Highway. You could name another section of that road after a Prime Minister. So, as we said, it's not a judgment on what they did while they were in office. It's just the fact that they were in the office. Doesn't matter how long they were there. Doesn't matter what they did. It should be a standard practice that once you become Prime Minister, a highway is named after you. So guys, let us know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.